I'm gonna go disassemble the bike now.
Oh crap, I forgot quarters. Yeah, thought I'd need it. The hell took? Massive turd right there. Hello, bike. Push it up. There's locks down there that this catches. Just like that. Let it go, holds it there. And to let it go, pull up on that, it's in the up position, and then it goes all the way down. And it locks at the bottom. I figured out where the exhaust is mounted on. This is the whole stand for the bike. And I'm pretty sure this piece off the exhaust goes to this whole little holder for the foot peg and the exhaust hanger. And then the only other thing holding it up is where it actually bolts onto the manifold. Alright guys, so I got the exhaust off. Pretty simple. It's just there's two little nuts that hold in each of these at the top, and then the other holder is where the back foot pegs were. Took those out and the whole thing just dropped down. And then I labeled these guys as left peg exhaust holder. I'm gonna label everything because I forget a lot of crap because there's just so much stuff going on in my head all the damn time. So now what I'm gonna do is take this carburetor off, which looks like there is Phillips head screws that hold this on to that buoy. There is some cable, but I already took that off when I took off the handlebars. That cable is your throttle, so yeah, it does that stuff. So I wonder what people do when they get rid of the airbox and they just go pods. This is the gas line. That's just free floating too. Yeah, all these are just free floating, so it looks like it can take this carb off pretty easily. But there's a little screw right there. See that? A screw that holds in the choke that goes all the way up here to where I took off this so I could lower the fork down, and this is just going to go completely off. I'm going to relocate the fuse right there. So that's the choke. You can see me, I'm pulling it right now. That little guy's moving there, and it usually hooks on to this and it goes up. Like, I'm doing this for me so I know what goes where when I'm reassembling it after I paint the frame and the engine. I'm also doing this for you guys so you can see what it's like to build your own bike and kind of go step by step. Just trying to explain it and then time lapse it with showing you guys what's going on as I'm doing the time lapse, because I keep it on my head. I need to remember is that this is the throttle, and then this little guy is the choke. And then I also labeled on the carb that this is where the throttle goes into, and then the choke is the black. Thinking that the next thing I'm gonna do is take off the headlight and then see how much crap is built up into there. I do not like how big this headlight is. It is a 7-incher, So I'm thinking of going 5 3/4 headlight. Let's get into that. Right now it looks like it's just being held on by that, and that. So really easy to take off, but there is a whole bunch of wiring going up into there that I'm gonna have to go through. Please don't cut yourself, Alex. Please don't cut yourself. So that's 3. Well, this is the headlight. This was the only thing that was plugged in. So I'm gonna do that. That's it.